Hey, what you doing? It's me again, and today we're going to multiply fractions. When you are multiplying a fraction with a fraction, you just
Multiply across, multiply across.
weird, but yeah, you multiply across. You multiply the numerators. 3 times 2 is 6, and then you multiply the denominators. 4 times 5 is 20. That's all there is to it. 3/4 times 2/5 is 6/20. When you multiply a fraction with a whole number, you
Multiply across, multiply across.
well, yeah, sort of. But first you need to write that whole number as a fraction. To do that, you just stick a 1 under it. Whole number 2 is the same thing as 2 ones. When you're multiplying a fraction by a whole number, make the whole number look like a fraction by putting it over 1. And then, yes, you can multiply across, multiply across. Multiply the numerators together. 3 times 2 is 6. And then multiply the denominators together. 6 times 1 is 6. 3/6 times 2 over 1 is 6/6. Or 1 whole, because that one's easy enough to simplify. When you're multiplying mixed numbers, you just
Oh, sorry. Multiply across, multiply across.
Not exactly, but nice try. Before we can multiply across, we need to convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. Here's how we do it. We multiply the whole number 2 times the denominator, 2 times 4, and then add the numerator, plus 3. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So 2 3/4 would be 11/4 as an improper fraction. And then we'll change the other mixed number into an improper fraction. 1 times 5 is 5, and then 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 2/5 is 7/5 as an improper fraction. And now, Ziggy,
Multiply across, multiply across.
you got it. 11 times 7 is 77. And 4 times 5 is 20. 2 3/4 times 1 2/5 is 77/20. I know we can simplify that, but we'll work on that later. Those are 3 ways we'll multiply fractions this year. I'll see you next time. Multiply across, multiply across.